Hello, this is Noah from After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make a Vieux Carré. The Vieux Carré comes from New Orleans in Louisiana. Its name is a French name because the French colonized Louisiana before the U.S. purchased it via Thomas Jefferson in 1803. As it has a French name, the best choice it also does call for brandy, specifically cognac. I'm using Martell here. It also calls for rye whiskey, where I'm using Michter's No. 1. It's my favorite rye whiskey. It has the sweet vermouth. I'm using Martini and Rossi. It's one of the few cocktails that call for Benedictine, which is an herbal liqueur, which I think has a slight honey mineral flavor to it. And the recipe I'm using that comes from Difford's Guide calls for Peychaud's bitters and Angostura aromatic bitters. To make a Vieux Carré, start with 2 dashes of Angostura aromatic bitters, 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, one-third of an ounce of Benedictine, three-quarters of an ounce of sweet vermouth, three-quarters of an ounce rye whiskey, and three-quarters of an ounce of cognac. Stir the ice in the mixing glass for about 20 seconds, or about 20 turns. Grab the strainer. You can strain it into an old-fashioned glass, but I'm using your standard cocktail glass here. All the flavors are there. Got the sweet vermouth, the Benedictine, and the whiskey gives a bit of sweetness, and so does the cognac, adds some fruitiness to it. This has been After 6 Cocktails with Noah. Cheers and have a good night.